Hello guys, it's Malcolm with Gifted Hands Appliance Repair. I'm here. LG refrigerator. So what we have here is a customer's complaint is whenever she goes to dispense some water or some ice, it won't stop dispensing. So right now I have the water off. As you can see, the flow of water is very weak and it started to get low. So basically what's happening is this dispenser switch, it's not actuating. The spring back here behind this switch is stuck. So the reason why every time they go to dispense ice or water, the reason why it keeps coming out is because this switch stays pushed in and it's stuck. So we're gonna go ahead and get this switch replaced, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick follow-up on what I am doing. So this is LG refrigerator. Here goes the model and serial there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. See you on the next one.